Have you given any thought to selling your restoration business and what that entails and what that means for you and what you should be doing now to prepare for it? If any of these thoughts have gone through your mind, hang in there with me. I've been through the process. I'm going to give you some tips. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping restoration business owners like you to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos in your business, and to build something you can sell for a lot of money someday when you decide the time is right to move on. And that's what we're talking about today. When is the right time to move on? That's where we're going to start. There's no one perfect answer, but I can tell you the easiest time is when revenue looks like this and profits look like this. If that's not the case for you, don't worry. I can help you turn it around. A lot of my new clients come to me with that exact intention. They want to sell the business and they realize that the way the business is now, they can't get what they want for it. So they work with me, we go through the process and clean things up. Number 2, understanding the selling process. You're going to be asked right from the start to talk about financials. You're going to, based on those financials, have a business valuation. You're also going to be asked a lot of questions so that the broker can help market your business to prospects. Prospects will show up. You'll find somebody that is really interested at some point, and you'll get a letter of intent. You'll start the due diligence process. You'll go through a negotiation process. You'll come to an agreement on the terms of the deal. You'll get to settlement, and hopefully you get to a successful closing. Now, I've greatly oversimplified this. I can talk about each one of these 4 elements of what I'm talking about today at length, but I want to keep this video short and just get you thinking, and also encourage you to reach out to me, book a call with me, and we'll talk about it in more depth. Number 3 is all about getting it ready. And I want you to think about this. If you're watching this and you say, you know what, I don't even know why I'm watching this because I don't plan to sell for years. That's okay. Keep watching. Getting it ready to sell should happen as soon as you start the business. Think about everything that you do. You're creating this business, this asset that you're going to market in the future, and you want it to be really attractive and you want it to work really well for the new buyer. The side benefit of that is the more you work on the business to get it ready to sell, the more it's going to work for you while you still own it. What are the 2 most important elements of getting it ready to sell? I think they're 1, working yourself out of the day-to-day operations. This requires systems and delegation. The more you can systematize and delegate yourself out of the day-to-day operations, the more valuable the business is going to be. Very few buyers want to buy a business where they're actually just buying a job of, say, a production manager, where they're running jobs in the field, or they're doing the bookkeeping, or they're doing administrative work. Very few buyers want to buy an existing business that's set up like that they're going to have to walk in and take on those responsibilities. So think about that. How can I systematize and delegate? Second thing that's critical is really good financials. You're recording your financial data in a way that tells the story of the business. You're job costing. You're reviewing P&Ls on a monthly basis. You're reviewing job costing. You're setting budgets. You're reviewing the budget against what actually happened at the end of the job. These financial disciplines are going to make your business worth so much more, and they're going to help your profitability, which benefits you today when you still own the business. Finally, number 4, enlisting professional help. More and more, my clients are being approached by private equity firms, and that's fine. I've had some clients that have gone through really successful exits with these companies that are doing restoration business roll-ups. I also have clients that are not selling to PE companies or roll-up companies, and they're enlisting the help of a business broker who all he does is sell restoration businesses. I'm not in that business. I'm on the front end where I'm helping people prepare their business for sale. So the other important professional help that you're going to need is an attorney, your accountant. If you don't have an accountant, and I'm always surprised that some people that I talk to that have really big businesses, sometimes high six-figure businesses, seven-figure businesses, they don't have an accountant. You need a strong CPA. You need an attorney who has been through business sale transactions, and you need a broker. I think it's really important to have a broker, even if you're selling to a PE company or one of these roll-up companies, because that's what they do for a living. And it's very likely that you've never been through the sale of a business, especially to a PE company. So I think you could probably benefit financially from someone looking out for you. And then lastly, somebody like me, shameless plug, right? This is what I do since 2008. Help businesses get more profitable, reduce the chaos, and get them ready to sell for when that day comes that they're ready to exit. If you'd like to learn more, click the link below this video and book a call with me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.